See how we can create a storytelling application by using the Scratch. For this I have a backdrop. You can change this backdrop by searching the witch house. So here we were going to create a witch school where we have a wizarder and it will ask for her student to welcome. And then the student will say, okay, I'm going for a quest, and we will change the background. Now here we need a wizarder. So what you can do, you can select the sprite and select wizard. And here we have a wizard sprite. And now the wizard is going to say something. And what he's going to say something? It will say go to the look and drag and drop say, and it will say welcome to Magic School. So basically the wizarder is talking to his student and the student will be a witch. But let's collect the sprite section. So when I click by using the click event, the wizard will say welcome to the Magic School. And we were also going to use the look of the next costume. So when we say, it will change the costume. Now after this, let's add the sprite, and let me add a sprite witch. So witch will be the student of wizard. You can simply search here witch, and here you will have a witch. Now as you can see, the witch is pointing to us. It is not seeing the wizard. What you can do to change it, you can go to the costumes and click on flip horizontal. Now witch is looking to wizard. And here witch will say, I'm going for a quest. So whenever we click and go to look, the witch will say, I'm going for a quest. Speak for 2 seconds. Now when we run this particular project by clicking on green flag, both are speaking at the same time. What we need, witch to speak after the wizard speak. So in this case, you can go to control and add the wait and wait for 2 seconds. So here you can see, welcome to the school. I'm going for a quest. Because wizard speak for 2 seconds, so we need to wait for the 2 seconds. Now we need to change the background because the witch is going for the quest. So whenever it is done, it will move to the quest. So go to the looks and use the switch background to Arctic. You can see I'm going for a quest, and we change the background. But we also need to hide the wizard because only the student is going for the quest. So how you can do this? In the witch section, you can add some more columns to add this logic. Now let's learn how we can hide the wizard. To do this, go to the wizard sprite and search for the events that says whenever just go for the events. Let me have the events, and here use when backdrop switch to the Arctic. So this is where means whenever the backdrop, that is the stage, is changes from the wizard room to the Arctic, what we will do, we will hide the sprite. So as you can see, when we click on this, see what happened. Okay, if you are hiding, we need to add a show also. So you can see what is happening here. I'm going for a quest and the wizard hide because we are using when backdrop switches to the Arctic stage. Now when I run this, it is creating an issue. Why? Because the backdrop is changed. So what we need to do, my friends, we need to make a default backdrop. How you can do this? Whenever you click on the green flag, first we have a default backdrop, that is the witch house, like this. Okay, now when you click it once again, we will have the backdrop of the default house, and student will go for a quest and wizard hide by using hide and show. Thanks for watching this. Hope you enjoy these tutorials. What you are going to create, try it by yourself. Thank you.